In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Google Slides presentation as a PDF. This process is simple and straightforward, and it offers a great way to share your presentations with others or keep a backup for your records. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the presentation that you've created or edited within Google Slides. Make sure everything looks just the way you want it, because once we convert it to a PDF, you won't be able to make further changes without returning to Google Slides. Once your presentation is open, take your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a menu labeled File. Click on File, and a drop-down menu will appear. As you scroll through this menu, you'll find an option titled Download. Hover over Download, and you'll see several formats to choose from. For today, we want the second option, which is PDF Document, .pdf. Go ahead and click on that. Now, your PDF file will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your browser and settings, this download will typically save directly to your Downloads folder. If you have a different setup, you might need to select a specific location or confirm the download, so keep an eye on your screen for any additional prompts. But let's say you're looking to customize your download a bit, such as including speaker notes, arranging multiple slides per page, or perhaps even hiding slide backgrounds. For these adjustments, head back to File in the top menu, and this time select Print Settings and Preview. You'll find yourself in a preview mode, where a toolbar at the top allows you to make various selections. Look for options like One Slide with Notes, which is handy if you or your audience require the speaker notes alongside the slides. You can also choose how many slides you want to appear on each page, their orientation, and even decide if you want to hide the background of your slides. Once you've made all the adjustments to your liking, you're ready to finalize the download. There's an option on this preview screen labeled Download as PDF. Click on that, and just like before, your presentation in the customized format will download likely to your Downloads folder unless specified otherwise. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your Google Slides presentation into a PDF, with the option to include various custom adjustments. This method is perfect for distributing presentations, preparing physical handouts for meetings, or simply maintaining a clean archive of your work. Enjoy the flexibility and ease this process offers for sharing your ideas. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your presentation needs.